Hello student, I am Prabha. In my previous video of chapter 1, class 9th, the story of village Palampur, I had discussed about introduction of village Palampur, production activities of Palampur, factor of production, farming in Palampur and method of farming. In this video, I am going to explain modern farming method, its limitations and some basic terms which are related to this chapter. So let's start with modern farming. Students, modern farming is a method of farming which refer to the agricultural production system in which high yielding variety of seeds, heavy uses of farm machinery such as threshers, harvesters, winnowing machine, pesticides, chemical fertilizers and insecticides are used for more production is called modern farming method. Students, if a farmer do his cultivation by traditional farming method, he can produce only 1300 kg food grain per hectare. But when a farmer used modern farming method in agriculture of his crops, then he produced 3200 kg per hectare food grain in his field. Now you can compare the increase of food grains by modern farming method. Especially modern farming method was started by the farmers of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. But there is some limitations of modern farming method too. The first is it decreased soil fertility. As we know that modern farming method includes the use of chemical fertilizers which decrease soil fertility year by year. The second limitation of modern farming method is contaminates water table. Chemical fertilizers used on crops is dissolved by the rain and contaminate the water table. The third limitation is intoxicate crops. Due to excessive use of chemical fertilizer, we are having intoxicated crops which is very harmful for us. The next limitation of modern farming method is killing of various useful microorganisms. Use of modern technology in modern farming method also result in killing of various useful microorganisms in the soil which is needed for healthy growth of crops. The last limitation of modern farming method is leads to water shortage. As we know, in modern farming method there is a excessive use of water and the excessive use of water leads to water shortage. Students, now we can see that modern farming method give us more crops but it has so many limitations. Our next topic is some important terms which are related to this chapter. What is yield? Crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season is called yield. Traditional seeds, a kind of seed which has low yields and needed less irrigation, used natural manure and fertilizers is called traditional seeds. Especially traditional seeds is used in traditional farming. Next, HYV seeds. It is also called high yielding variety of seeds. A kind of seed which produce much greater quantity of grain on a single plant which needs plenty of water and also chemical fertilizers and pesticides to produce best result is called HYV seeds. Next is Green Revolution. What is Green Revolution? A great increase in production of food grain such as rice and wheat due to the introduction of high yielding varieties of seeds to use of fertilizers and pesticides and to better management technique is called Green Revolution. The next topic is meaning of economics. What is meaning of economics? Economics is a study of economic activities where one can fulfill their unlimited wants through limited resources. All of we know that we has limited resources but we have unlimited wants. So economics is a study of economic activity where one can fulfill their unlimited wants through limited resources. The next is economic activity. What is economic activity? Any activities which involve money or the exchange of products or services are called economic activities. Next is definition of economics. Economics is a social science concerned with the production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. Students, here you can see that in definition of economics, three words are used: production, distribution and consumption. So let me explain one by one all the three words. What is production? Conversion of raw material into finished products in a manufacturing process is called production. Consumption. The using of goods and services in an economy is called consumption. Distribution. The way by which total output, income or wealth is distributed among individuals is called distribution. The remaining topics of this chapter will continue in next videos. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates. Thank you, student.